Hey guys, and welcome back. I hope you're all well. Today I'm doing some cleaning prep for Christmas Day, so hopefully this will help give you some cleaning motivation, and feel free to clean along with me and have this on in the background. And finally, even if you're not doing any cleaning, hopefully you will find this relaxing to watch. First off, I decided to clean out our oven ready for the turkey. I haven't done a thorough clean of this oven since we moved in. However, I did buy this black oven liner that you put at the bottom of the oven. I found it in Home Bargains, and it just helps prevent the bottom from getting overly dirty. I also love this because you can just pull it out and clean it separately. I also like as well to spot clean inside, as I feel like this has generally kept the oven from getting overly dirty, although there was still a tad bit of grease that I wanted to clean up and just give the oven an overall general deep clean, including the racks and the glass on the door. Okay, once I tackled the oven and the microwave, I decided to give the fridge a deep clean as well, because we had bought all our Christmas Day vegetables and things like that. So I wanted to give everything a good clean out, as I'd never actually cleaned this fridge before since we've moved in. So I took everything out and really just soaked it and scrubbed it and gave it a good clean. I will be doing a organisation video. Well, I will be doing quite a few organisation videos in January, so definitely keep a lookout for them. I'm thinking that I want to change the storage up a bit in the fridge. I have, every time I go to IKEA, I do buy some of those glass and bamboo sort of Tupperware boxes. You can see them on the left, and I'm really enjoying using them to store berries and things in the fridge. So definitely for sure keep a lookout for my organisation videos that I will be doing all around the house. Final thing I wanted to do this night that I was filming was it was on Sunday, so I like to change our bed anyway, but for this time I wanted to put on our Christmas bedding. If you'd seen my previous videos in our old house, I did used to decorate our bedroom, but I just decided not to this year and just keep all the Christmas decor to downstairs. But I did want to put on our festive bedding. This is one of my favourite sets. I picked this up in Asda a couple of years ago, and it was after Christmas and I got it for a really great price. It was in the sale, but Asda always do the nicest Christmas festive bedding. The next day I wanted to clean our table. Now this is actually a new addition to our house, this dining table. We currently don't have any chairs, but we're figuring that out for Christmas Day. But we got this table for a bargain price from a charity shop, and it's actually exactly what we've been looking for, so we're really happy with it. Then to decorate the table I picked up these log slices from the range. The checked napkins are from M&S, and I did want the runner from M&S, but they had sold out, so I've got the tablecloth coming that I'm going to use as a runner, and then I think I'm just going to put some foliage in the middle. And also these stacks, they were from Sainsbury's. I picked them up in the sale a couple of days ago. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this. I do hope you're all well and that you have a wonderful Christmas. Thank you so much for all your support and just kind messages that you send me on Instagram. I really do appreciate every single one of you, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.